Hi everyone, myself Vamsi Verma. I have graduated my BTech from CMI University Bangalore. I'm from Bhimavaram. Recently I've joined VCUBE. I've learned many things from CUBE. Before coming to VCUBE, I was a bit like lack of confidence to write the codes and all. For Java, I'm familiar about it. But coming here with the help of PVR sir and Vishwanath sir, I have learned a lot from them. When coming to Core Java, PVR sir gave us a detailed insight of the code view. Vishwanath sir, he has implemented with us the implementation and as well as the web development front end and database connections. We are very lucky to have these tutors like trainers for us to happen. Then when coming to lab sessions, we were very interactive with the trainers. Also it was able to do write a code because of these assignments and weekly tests, which made us to write a code on our own now. So maybe without this we couldn't have made it. So for us, I think in few days we are gonna crack an interview and get us our jobs here. Thank you.